By default, with the DJI Pocket 4, when you flip the screen, you have 2 seconds to hit continue if you don't want it to go off. And if you want to go off, you simply turn it, wait 2 seconds, and the camera goes in off position. However, this is something you can change. If you scroll down here, go to the setting gear, the second option is rotate screen to power off. You can set it to never, so this way, if you flip it, it's simply flip the screen and it's changed the mode. Of course, this is something for another video if you don't want to change it. And well, it will never go off because of the screen orientation. What you can do to turn it off is to use the power button here. Power, well, the record button is also the power button, because if you hold it for a second while it is on, it does power off the camera, and if you hold it for half a second, it does power on the device. And I believe if you just press it, yeah, it does power on. The other option is to, if you scroll down here and set it to rotate the screen to power off, you can set it to now. This way you won't have to wait again. It just go off instantly. So this is it. I hope this was helpful.